Welcome back. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to move a folder out of another folder in Google Drive. This is a simple task, but it's incredibly helpful when you're reorganizing your workspace, cleaning up clutter, or making your most important folders easier to reach. Understanding how to properly move items in Google Drive can save you time and help you keep everything well structured. So let's jump right in. Start by opening your web browser and heading to the Google Drive homepage. Make sure you're signed in with your Google account so you have access to all your files. Once you're inside Google Drive, you'll land on your main directory where all your folders, files, and shortcuts are stored. This is your central dashboard for managing everything. Next, you'll want to locate the folder that contains the folder you want to move. If your drive is full of content, don't forget that the search bar at the top can help you quickly find what you're looking for. When you find the parent folder, click it to open it. Inside the parent folder, look for the folder you want to move out. Click it once to select it. You'll see the folder highlight, which confirms that it's selected and ready for any action you want to perform. With the folder selected, navigate to the toolbar at the top of your screen. Look for the Move to icon. It usually looks like a folder with a small arrow. Click this button to open the Move window. This window or sidebar will show your entire Google Drive structure, making it easy to choose where you want the folder to be placed. Now, select My Drive from the list. This takes you to the top level of your Google Drive, outside of any subfolders. This is the exact location you want because you're moving the folder out of its current parent folder. Once you've selected My Drive, go ahead and click the Move button at the bottom of the panel. Google Drive will instantly move your folder for you, and you'll see a small confirmation message appear on the bottom left corner of your screen. After that, your folder is officially out of its previous location and now sits cleanly in your main directory. Moving folders like this is a great habit to keep your drive organized. The more content you store, the more important it becomes to maintain a clean structure. Don't hesitate to rearrange your drive whenever needed. Thanks for watching this tutorial. If you found it helpful, feel free to check out my other videos for more simple and practical Google Drive tips. Keep organizing and have a productive day.